StoryCache is a storytelling geocaching experience. Once you've downloaded the app, open it by clicking the icon. You will then see an intro screen that will give way to the main application. In the main application, you may press Info to read more information on how the app works. Now that we've read the instructions, let's play the game. Select an image that you wish to explore. Let's explore the image of the apples. When you click on an image, you will be presented with a map directing you where to go to find the associated story. Once you arrive at the indicated location, click Found It. Your phone's camera will open. Look for the image from the gallery and scan it with your phone camera. If you scan the correct image, the game will now begin to tell you a story.
I can't remember exactly what year, but one year we decided to go apple picking, and it wasn't just my best friend and me, it was our whole friend group.
When you have finished listening to the story, you may press the back button to return to the gallery and continue your adventure. Click a side arrow to see more images. Let's see if we can find this room on the top right. Like before, we will click Found It when we're in the correct location, and then scan the image from the gallery to hear a story.
My best friend and I met our first week of our first year of college, and like so many stories from people's first week of first year of college, it was kind of random.
Thank you for watching, and download StoryCache now to discover the rest of the stories in our gallery.